Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we explored the use of client APIs through real-time examples. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a very simple and configurable welcome message widget in ServiceNow using the widget option schema, and we will do it completely from the service portal configuration UI without switching to the platform. This is great for beginners and for use cases where you want to display a message that can be changed easily without editing the code. Now let's get started. Before that, let's discuss a business case. Let's say you have a different portal pages for different teams. You want each page to show a personalized welcome message like on the HR page, welcome HR team, on the IT page, welcome to IT support, on the main page, hello and welcome to our portal. You don't want to hardcode these messages into separate widgets. Instead, we'll build one widget and allow each instance to set its own message using the option schema. To give you a demo on widget option schema, I have an already existing page with existing widget. Let me open that. And we have page A widget. To create our option, click on the menu, edit option schema, then plus icon. Then I'm giving my label as welcome text and name will be automatically generated. You can specify your data type and let me save that. You can see the option was created and let me copy this name and to call this to the HTML we simply mention like options dot and then the name of the option. Welcome and then the text I have to give. Let me go to the page designer and then to the preview. You can see the welcome but not the text. Let's add that. Right click and then click on instance options and give text like IT support and then save it. You can see it is dynamically changing according to the option we have given. Let's see how we do this from client script. I'm initializing and like c dot options dot and then the name to it and then c dot options dot welcome text and let me call it to the HTML to show you the preview and then save it and go back to the page designer, refresh the page. If you want to change this to HR team, it can be automatically changed. This will display the custom welcome message set via the option schema. This is how option schema works. There are few points to remember. Widget option schema lets users customize widgets per instance. This is great for non-developers, no code editing needed. Use c dot options dot and then the options name HTML as well as in the client script. Always add default values to avoid blank outputs. Suppose like in the default value, if you want to give something like to our portal, it will show the output like to our portal if it is blank. You can build one widget and reuse it across multiple teams or pages. That's it. You have now created a fully reusable welcome message widget using widget option schema directly from the service portal configuration page. No platform, no code cloning, just clean configuration. This approach keeps things simple, scalable and user-friendly. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop your questions in the comments and stay tuned for more ServiceNow tips. See you in the next one.